Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
Right now, I'd rather speak with someone who John Fahim actually helped. Wouldn't that be better? I think that's a much better thing, okay? Because, John, we hear him on the radio all the time. You know, you want to validate the fact that he truly has helped a lot of people. Let's pick one. Arthur, how are you doing today?
Doing pretty good. Yourself?
That's very good, man. So you worked with John Fahim, a loan officer and the vice president of the bank, First Republic Mortgage Bankers, right?
Yes, I work with John and his staff. Really helped me out a month ago.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
a month ago.
I had an investment property, and which was paying a high percentage. I was paying like over 12%, 12.25 to be exact, and they had bought me down to 7.25.
Wow.
And, you know, and I can tell you, you know, some of the big bankers wouldn't even look at my application because they said my credit was bad, which I had like a 5, I think it was a 555, you know, and First Mortgage, First Federal, and their staff and showed me how to bring my scores up. Mm-hmm. And once I brought my scores up a bit, and they really helped me out. And I must say, they saved me about $380 a month.
Wow! You know what? This is great. So you were at. Let me do that quick analysis. You know, and see if we can get John back in the studio. I was just kidding with him. You know, let me do the quick analysis. You were at 12.25% interest rate on your property, right? An investment property. They were able to bring you down to 7.25, right?
Correct.
That's a difference of 5% on the property. All right. Your credit score, okay, your FICO credit score was 555, which, you know, is pretty low, and most people can't even get any help with a FICO score like that. You worked with.
I'm not cutting you, but I was a bit skeptic.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you were?
Yes, I were. You know, because I hear you guys on the radio, and, you know, I was a bit skeptic, and I said, you know, let me just check it out to see if this is really true. You know, and I must say, you know, it is. It works for me.
You know what? There's so much skepticism out there right now when people listen to me squeeze on the air with all these different loan officers. And I say to people, sometimes you need to just take the plunge, because the plunge that I am asking people to take here on a Monday is not going to hurt them. It can only help them. And that is the reason why I would like for people like yourself to take the plunge. This was just a month ago in this turmoil of financial issues that's going on around the world and here in the United States. And you were able to get a difference of 5% on the interest rate that you were getting. Well, I know that John Fahim is an excellent loan officer because he saved me $1,400 a month by refinancing my property through First Republic Mortgage Bankers last year. Okay, so let me just talk with him quickly, Arthur, before I open up the phone lines at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, now also based in the Bronx at 3868 White Plains Road, right there on the corner. Hello, John Fahim. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Great, fantastic. I know you were having a conversation with Arthur Sulky.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Arthur evidently happens to be a very good guy, and he's extremely happy now because he listened. You were able to also help him with your team at First Republic Mortgage Bankers to not only give him an excellent rate, but the man have a better FICO score today. Let's talk about that.
That's correct. You know, first of all, it's Arthur. Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Yes, great, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you to be on our show today. You know, I want the folks to know, a lot of folks who are over there, that they have a low FICO score. That doesn't mean we cannot able to help them out. Remember, it's a time factor. Like Mr. Arthur, you have waited on us, right, to increase your FICO score that we needed in order to help you to lower your monthly mortgage payment. That's correct, right?
That's correct.
It doesn't happen overnight, but we ask you what to do, and you follow my guideline, and then by doing so, within a month or month and a half, we finally close your deal. I remember that when you come to me, that it was like 12.5% interest rate you was paying on your investment property, and it was like hitting the roof. I said, whoa, wait a second, something is wrong. This gentleman definitely need my help, definitely. Put my focus and everything's together for Mr. Arthur, and then, you know, squeeze. I put myself into the position. I say, you know what, this man need my help. With
Absolutely.
11 years in the mortgage industry, Squeeze, 11 years I'm in this mortgage industry. So it's like a lot of folks out there, if I cannot help you right away to you today, but it might help you within a month or 2 months, but I can guide you what to do. And then from there, I can able to help you out like I did it to Arthur Sulky. So,
Absolutely.
So,
Well, you know what, gentlemen, I'm very happy that both of you are physically on the airwaves with me today, with hundreds of thousands of people tuning in to Link Up Radio. We would like for people out there right now to give John Fahim a call at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, which is now next to Link Up Radio in the Bronx. And here's the number, people. Get ready for it before I let Arthur get back to his life and John Fahim to the calls. The number is 718-652-6200. That's 718-652-6200. Make the call right now. John Fahim, I'm going to let you go grab the phone calls. Thank you so much for being on the air with us. Remember, 718-652-6200. Right now, John Fahim is grabbing the calls, of course, with the staff members there at First Republic Mortgage Bankers now in the Bronx. Arthur, thank you so much for being a true success story, getting on the airwaves and letting people hear you, sir. All right?
My pleasure.
All right, man. Where are you from originally, Arthur?
Jamaica.
Yard. All right, no problem. When are you going back, man?
When?
Yeah, when are you going back?
That's a good question. Was down there last year, but I don't think I'll be going on there this year.
Okay. Well, let me ask you.
In the near future.
Okay. Well, at least over the holidays, make sure you remember to send some money down to the family and the friends them down there. All right? Them need it. All right, sir?
Definitely.
All right, cool. Okay. Once again, folks, that's what we're all about. He saved some money. I'm asking him to send some money back to Jamaica this coming holiday to help out people. And that's the reason why First Republic Mortgage Bankers is in the community, to help people.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.